Good morning, dear children. How are you today? Today is Friday and the date is 17th of December 2021. So 12th is the December month. And what is the day today? Today is Friday. Friday comes after Thursday, children. So spell after me Friday. 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 And today is 17th day of December month. Today we are going to revise our letters जो हमने इस मंथ में सीखे हैं. That is W, X, Y, Z. अब देखो मैम ने आपको फॉर्मेशन भी बताई है. W हम बिटवीन द टू ब्लू लाइन्स लिखते हैं. ओके, W इसमें हम वन स्लैंटिंग लाइन फ्रॉम अप टू डाउन, देन डाउन टू up to down, down to up. That is letter W, and this is small letter, children. Now this is letter X. So again we have to make two slanting lines between the two blue lines. One from first blue line to second blue line, then make a cross. It is like a cross. This is small letter X. And children, this is small letter Y. जो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से, मेक वन स्लैंटिंग लाइन. यहाँ भी आप वी की फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए नीचे रेड लाइन तक आएंगे चिल्ड्रन, एंड मेक अ स्मॉल कर्व. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्मॉल वाई, एंड दिस इज स्मॉल लेटर जेड जो हम अगेन बनाते हैं बिटवीन द टू ब्लू लाइन्स. सो मेक वन स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन, एंड अगेन वन स्लीपिंग लाइन. So this is the formation of small z. And now children, let's recognize the sounds of these letters. So which letter is this? This is letter W. This is capital W. This is small w. And the sound of W, watch, right? Now let's see the next letter. Which letter is this, children? Which letter is this? This is X. This is capital X. This is small x. And what is the sound of letter X, children? It is X. Okay? जो लास्ट साउंड है उस पे आपने ज्यादा स्ट्रेस देना है. X. Now, which letter is this, children? This is capital Y. This is small y. And what is the sound of letter Y, children? It is Y.
As in yak.
Now let's see the next letter. Which letter is this? This is Z. This is capital Z and this is small z. And what is the sound of letter Z, children? It is Z. Z. मैम ने आपको बताया है जैसे बीज जो है वो साउंड निकालती हैं Z, right, in zebra. Now we have one worksheet related to are these letters. So which is on your page number 9191. So what is that, children? Look at the letters. जो यहाँ पे letters दिए हैं हमने उनको recognize करना है. Then we have to circle the correct picture. जो इस letter से related picture है हमने उनको circle करना है. Okay, correct picture को. And your question number 2 is circle the picture whose name ends with the sound of X. इन पिक्चर्स को हमने रिकॉग्नाइज करना है और जिसमें एक्स साउंड निकलती है हमने उसको सर्कल करना है. राइट चिल्ड्रन? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वर्कशीट. सो चिल्ड्रन, ये आपकी वर्कशीट है. यहाँ आप अपना नेम लिखेंगे. राइट? सो योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लुक एट द लेटर एंड सर्कल द करेक्ट पिक्चर इन ईच रो. वी हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज द लेटर्स. देन लेटर से रिलेटेड जो पिक्चर है, करेक्ट पिक्चर है, हमने उसको सर्कल करना है. सो विच लेटर इज दिस, चिल्ड्रन? दिस इज लेटर वाई. नाउ लेट्स सी द पिक्चर. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ कप. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ बॉल. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ ट्री. What is this, children? This is a yo-yo. So Y is for yo-yo होता है. So we have to circle this picture. Okay. So circle the picture of yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Now let's see the next letter. Which letter is this? This is letter Z. Now let's see the pictures. What is this, children? This is zigzag. Zigzag. So Z is for zigzag होता है. So we have to circle this picture. Picture of zigzag. So this is an ice cream. This is a flower. This is a leaf. Now let's see the next letter. Which letter is this, children? This is letter W. Now let's see the pictures. What is this? This is a car. What is this, children? This is a sun. What is this? This is a watch. What is this? This is a star. Now we have to circle which picture, children? W is for watch. So we have to circle the picture of watch. Now which letter is this, children? ये कौन सा letter है? This is letter V. V. Now let's see the pictures. What is this? This is a parrot. What is this? This is a van. This is a moon. And this is a kite. And which picture we have to circle, children? We have to circle V is for van. So circle this picture. Picture of van. Right, children? So in this way you have to finish your question number 1. Now let's move to your question number 2, which is circle the picture whose name ends with the sound of X. हमने pictures देखनी है और जिसकी sound X sound है हमने उसको circle करना है. Right? Now what is this, children? This is an apple. A sound है. Right? What is this? This is a table. Table. Okay, t sound hai. What is this? This is a cat. Cat. Okay, it is k sound, children. And what is this? This is a box. Box. एक sound आ रही है ना इसमें? So we have to circle this picture. It is B-O-X. Box. So circle the picture of box. So children, in this way you have to finish your worksheet. Then send it to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.